That all who use it may be safely preserved and shielded from every evil end while using this drug. We ask this through Christ, them in a visible way, guide, direct, and assist.
County has said legislative Laura Rock. Wow, what a commitment. Along with that commitment is a commitment from my guests, esteemed colleagues, and valued members of our community. Good morning. It is an honor to stand before each day with confidence and determination. As we dedicate this fire engine today, let us do so with all and uphold the highest standards of our noble profession. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless. This time I'd like to invite Captain of Live Oak Engine Company Number 1, Dominic Gillespie.
The engine is equipped with a 1,500-gallon pump. It's an honor to stand here in front of you as captain of Live
in unique and lasting ways. I'd like to take a moment to 2023, but his contributions will always be remembered. Finally, their stories will be remembered by all who ride this engine. Its names. It represents lives of purpose, commitment, and positive.
May this truck, with its strength and speed, serve as an instrument of rescue.
Yep.
Sorry. You're good, go.